Hi everyone, it's Daphne back from Scrap and Create. Today I'm going to share with you an 8x8 mini album that I just completed using the Graphic 45 Imagine collection. I started with the Graphic 45 Imagine bundle, which is available in our shop at www.scrapandcreate.com. I'm going to walk through real quickly what the elements of that bundle are. So you get the tags and pockets, the chipboard, an 8x8 paper pad, the ephemera pack, a 12x12 pattern in solids, and then the 12x12 sticker sheet, which is also is included as part of the 12x12 collection pack. So here we go. So here she is. She's so beautiful. This is the cover sheet, or the cover of the album that I made, and you can see that there's a ton of texture here. So I did lots of fun things. I added some Wink of Stella, some pearls, popped things. I added some pre-made paper flowers that came from either Prima or 49 and Market. And also fussy cut lots of little elements to make it very interesting. Okay, inside cover. One of my favorite prints in the whole collection is this balloon print. So I didn't really want to cover it with flaps or pockets, so it's just a simple page here, which you can add elements to, but I chose to keep it simple. Page 1 is a flip fold for photo mats. And I just think this is a fun interactive element. Right here you'll see featured a die cut clock, which is part of the Graphic 45 tag and pocket dies, which is also available in our shop. So cute. Even the little hands are part of the die, so it's really intricate, very beautiful. There's an additional piece that lays on top that's very ornate, but it was a little bit too big for this photo mat. Inside page 1 is a large photo mat. All of the pages featured in this album are pocket pages, so you've got tons of storage. This is supposed to be tied in a bow, but I guess I forgot to do that last time I opened it. This is a flip fold, and inside you'll see that there's pockets on both the top and bottom. And then when you open this up, there's another hidden pocket for journaling here. And this is just a nice layout for photos. On the next page, I featured a large piece of the ephemera cards, and then added a little piece of filigree, which is available in our shop as well. On the back side, you'll see I utilized a small ephemera card to kind of hide the back of this, and then I tucked in another ephemera card. Little pocket for either photo mats or keepsakes. And this tab flips down. More location and space for photos. This is also an ephemera card that I featured. And then lastly, another large photo mat. Okay, the next page. These little balloons are so cute. They're little charms that Julie found and are usually part of what we give when somebody orders the bundle. So this might be in your collection, or a balloon similar to it. Over here is a pocket. This is part of the tags and pockets, and I just kind of used it in an unusual way, made a pocket out of it. This is one of the cut-aparts, and I just added a little chipboard and a key just to add some texture. I popped out this butterfly, keep it interesting. This one's popped as well. And two more, this is part of the cut-apart, and this is tags and pockets. So we can load that up with lots of interesting things. Little tiny pictures or journaling. Inside, you'll see two pockets on each side. They're identical. And I've created a little flip photo mat for each side, as well as just a simple journaling or photo mat. And these, like I said, they're identical on both sides. On the next page, a little piece of filigree, which I love. What you see on the top here is featuring the sticker I popped this, I trimmed down and popped this ephemera card. Okay, photo mats, little place to keepsakes, you know, tickets or little notes that you've written. Okay, when you flip it open, there is a pocket here. And then behind this ephemera is another hidden pocket with a place for a photo or journaling. And then lastly, it comes with a nice big photo mat. This page is kind of simple, and I like it that way. This is just a cut apart and layered with lots of elements to make it interesting. Little flowers from Prima. This little tiny gear is from the die cut from Graphic 45's tags. Here's another little charm here. And then in the top corner is a nice big piece of filigree, which makes it pretty. These are just large photo mats that tuck inside. You could actually add a memento, a card, anything that came from the event that you're cataloging. Another flips and a pocket. This is held together with a magnet, which a lot of my flaps are. I didn't talk about that, but a lot of my flaps are held together with magnets. Another large photo mat. And then the last page is a mirror image of the first page. And that's true for not just this part, but also for the back cover. So I hope you liked the walkthrough. This paper is a lot of fun to work with. The 8x8 is a really nice size to showcase all of the papers in the collection. Once I was finished, I actually had some scraps left over, and I'll probably be doing another project, but I managed to put together a couple of quick cards to showcase as well. So this is a simple card that I put together using a lot of the elements in the collection. These are fussy cut and popped elements, and I just layered it into this card, and it always looks so pretty when you're finished. So that's one. And the other one is a nice, more masculine looking, and this one is an easel card. And this features an ephemera card, just some of the scraps I had left, coordinated, and then some of the chipboard down here, and of course a little piece of chipboard to actually hold the easel up. So very cute. Cute. So I'll probably be back with some other small projects or cards featuring this collection, so you can kind of get an idea and get inspired. There's a little key. It's kind of hard to see. What can be done with this collection. I just love the balloons. Thank you for watching.